Marsha Mayfield, the CEO and the owner of Financial Services Plus. I am so excited to invite you to attend our class that I'll be hosting on this month to teach you some additional tax deductions. You may be aware and you may not, but I feel that it's my responsibility, my obligation to make sure that my guys, my friends, my clients, my colleagues, you guys are aware of how you can reduce your tax liability. What that means, how do you not pay so much to the Internal Revenue Services? So these deductions are going to assist you with making you conscious of the different expenses and deductions that you are entitled to. So if you haven't joined, if you haven't signed up, I encourage you to do so soon. I'm only going to take on 25 people because it is an intimate class where I want you to be able to ask me questions and I give you feedback to assist you with your tax needs and making those tax decisions. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, guys.